Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove filter and sort in collection pages in Shopify Dawn Theme. So what you'll need to do is basically go to your control panel of Shopify, then go to your online store and themes, then click on edit theme. Then right here you'll be able to select a collection, so select the default collection or the custom one if you have. And then what you'll need to do is click on the product grid right here or right here on the left menu. And what you'll need to do is basically scroll down until you see filters and sorting. So you can just turn those off. And as you can see, you don't have now filters and sort. So make sure to save the changes. And now you'll see that you don't have those. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.